Hey everyone, I'm Yogesh Darji, co-founder at Lumino AI, and today I'm going to demo our decentralized machine learning training protocol. I'm super excited to announce that we have launched our Devnet, and today we are going to be fine-tuning Llama 3.1. We have three nodes, Node 1, Node 2, and Node 3. We are going to submit a training job via our SDK, which then gets picked up by a compute node. The protocol randomly assigns the job to one of the compute providers on the network. In this scenario, we have three compute providers. Before we submit the job, let's take a look at the terminals of Compute Provider 1, Compute Provider 2, and Compute Provider 3 to see how they are in the assigned state, waiting for jobs to be assigned. So let's look at the terminals of CP1, 2, and 3 side by side. As you can see, all of them are in the assigned state, waiting for jobs to be assigned. To start, we'll submit a job request using SDK to initiate LLM fine-tuning task. You can refer our previous fine-tuning tutorial video for Python SDK setup. Here I'm going to fine-tune Llama 3.1 8 billion parameter model using a encyclopedia dataset, and I have named the job as encyclopedia fine-tune. And then I've also set a few other hyperparameters that you can see here. Let's submit the job. Alright, the job has been submitted successfully and it's in the new status. When the job is detected, the protocol assigns it to a suitable compute provider. Here, in this case, we see that the job has been assigned to the compute provider node 3, which means this node is going to pick up the job. As we can see that it has already picked up the job and it's in the running state. So it's running the machine learning training pipeline, as you can see that here. Now let's head over to the smart contract and look at this job. As you can see that the job ID is 31 here. So I'm going to go to the smart contract, click here, read contract, and then there is a jobs here. I'll just input 31 query, and then I can see that it has picked up the encyclopedia dataset and it's running the job right now. We can also confirm this by going on to our Lumino AI dashboard. I'm going to refresh this, and then we can see that there is a fine-tuning job here which is in the running state. We'll wait for it to finish and then go from there. During the job's execution, CP3 regularly confirms the job's running state. When the fine-tuning process is completed, CP3 updates the job status to completed on the blockchain. So here we can see that the job status has been updated to completed. We can head over to the blockchain and then verify the same. There is a field here called job status. Basically 3 is the status, corresponds to completed state. So let's look at the job status for 31. So we can see that it is in the completed state. We can also verify this by visiting our dashboard, which is the UI. So let's head over to the UI. All right, we can see that the job is right now in running state. I'm going to refresh this, and we can see that the job is completed and the model weights are available here to download. We can also confirm this via our SDK by running a list job command. I've put the job name as encyclopedia fine-tune. So let's run this, and we can see that the job is completed here as well. We can see that the status is completed here. We just fine-tuned Llama 3.1 8 billion parameter model on a decentralized network. We have just showcased the future of decentralized AI, one that is scalable, trustless, and permissionless, no middleware, no bottlenecks, and up to 80% cheaper than centralized options. Welcome to the forefront of AI revolution. Thanks for watching.